Hello, Marble IELTS here, and today we are going to learn about how to write Task 2 IELTS Opinion Essay. Have you ever noticed that more and more people today are choosing herbal remedies, traditional medicine, and alternative treatment instead of visiting a qualified doctor? So this is the question that we shall be tackling, and the question says, nowadays, a growing number of people with health problems are trying alternative medicine and treatments instead of visiting their usual doctor. Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? So, the moment you see a question telling you that, do you think? The keyword here is think. This question is an opinion essay. It wants your opinion on the specific question. So, you'll have to choose a position. My position is a negative development, and I came up with several reasons, like it delays proper treatment. It risks one risks being misdiagnosed, and lack of scientific evidence. To come up with these ideas, I use the method of PEST: P for people, E for economy, S for social, and T for technology. So ask yourself, how does this affect people? How does it affect the economy? How does it affect the society? And how does it affect technology? Then you'll come up with several answers and ideas that you can use in your essay. So after coming up with those ideas, you have to plan your essay. And by planning, I mean that you need an introduction, you need body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and the conclusion. In my introduction, I'll paraphrase the question and add my opinion. Body 2, I'll write about why people choose alternative medicines. Body 2, I'll talk about why this is a negative development. I'll now give my opinion. And finally, in conclusion, I'll restate my opinion. So to write my introduction, I started by paraphrasing the question. Nowadays, an increasing number of people are turning to alternative medicines and treatment rather than seeking help from conventional healthcare professionals. So that is how I paraphrase the question. Then I add my opinion and highlight some of the points that I'll talk about in my body paragraphs. So although some individuals believe that these remedies are more natural and affordable, I believe that this is a negative development because it may delay proper medical treatment and pose serious risk to people's health. So that gives the examiner an idea of what you're going to talk about in body 1 and body 2. So for body 1, you now need to write the topic sentence, have an explanation sentence, an example sentence, and a linking sentence. That is how you write the body. So the topic sentence should tell the examiner what the paragraph is going to be about, what you're going to talk about in that specific paragraph. The explanation sentence is meant to show why you're saying what you're saying in the topic sentence. Then you go ahead and give an example followed by a linking sentence. So for my topic sentence, one reason many people choose alternative medicine is that they believe it is more affordable and has fewer side effects than conventional treatments. Explanation: in some countries, healthcare services can be expensive, encouraging individuals to seek cheaper remedies such as herbal medicine or traditional healing practices. Furthermore, Many people are attracted to treatments that are advertised as natural and free from chemicals. For example, now that is my example, some people or some individuals use herbal products to treat headaches, digestive problems, or minor illness instead of visiting a doctor. My linking sentence. As a result, alternative medicine has become increasingly popular among people seeking accessible healthcare option. So that is body paragraph 1. We now move to body paragraph 2. The topic sentence again. Despite its popularity, I believe that relying heavily on alternative medicine is a negative development because it may prevent people from receiving proper medical care. So that is my opinion, and that is my topic sentence. Many alternative treatments have not been scientifically tested, making their effectiveness uncertain. Consequently, patients with serious illness may delay seeking professional treatment, allowing their condition to worsen. Then I give my example. Remember the body 1. In body 1, I used for example. So body 2, I'm saying for instance. A person suffering from a severe disease such as cancer may choose herbal remedies instead of receiving appropriate medical care from qualified doctors. This can reduce the chances of successful treatment and put their patient's life at risk. Therefore, conventional medicine should remain the primary source of healthcare for serious medical conditions. So that marks my body 2 paragraph. Conclusion. In conclusion, although alternative medicine may appear affordable and natural, I believe that their growing use is a negative development. The risks associated with delayed diagnosis and ineffective treatment outweigh the potential benefits, making professional medical care the safer option. And that is the end of the essay. This essay is 290 words, and you're required to write at least 250. That's the minimum. So 250 to 290 is a good number. And just like that, you'll have written your essay and wait for a band 7 and above. Thank you for watching. If you want to book for lessons, you can WhatsApp me on 0725 415 913 or email me on mabelnyahela@gmail.com. Don't forget to visit my website www.ieltsmabel.co.ke. See you next time. Bye.